Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the important MCQ of chapter number first, knowledge and understanding based questions. So let us start the MCQs of chapter number 1. So first question is the process of oxidation involves. So what is a oxidation? What is the process of oxidation involves? Mean it's a gain of electron, loss of electrons, addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen. So the process of oxidation means loss of electron. ਇਹਦੇ ਚ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੋਨ ਦੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲੇ loss ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ. Gain of electron means reduction, addition of hydrogen means reduction, removal of oxygen is also means reduction. So these 3 points are favor to the reduction, but the process of oxidation involves means loss of electron. ਜਿਹਦੇ ਚ electron ਦਾ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ loss ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ, that process is called oxidation. Burning of coal is an example of when we burn a coal. So burning, you are know that in the presence of oxygen it produces carbon dioxide plus heat plus light. These are the two energies which produce when we burn coal. So coal is a form of carbon. So what a type of reaction is this? Is it oxidation, exothermic, combination, or all of these? So it is a combination reaction because two or more components combine to form a single product. So it is a combination reaction. Also this reaction produces a heat, so that it means it is also an exothermic reaction. So here carbon gain oxygen or it lost electron, that's why it is oxidation also. So it means burning of coal is an example of all of these. It is a oxidation, exothermic and combination reaction. So burning of coal ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਤਿੰਨੋਂ types ਦੀਆਂ ਕੀ ਨੇ reactions ਨੇ, because it gain oxygen also, it produce heat also, and there are two components combined to form a single product. So it means it is a combination reaction also. Next question, digestion of food in our body is an example of ਜਿਹੜੀ digestion of food ਆ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ food digest ਹੁੰਦਾ body ਚ, that is an example of decomposition reaction, redox reaction, combination reaction, or all of these. So digestion of food in our body is called decomposition. ਜੋ ਅਸੀਂ ਖਾਣਾ ਖਾਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਉਹ oxidize ਹੁੰਦਾ, ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ oxidize ਹੁੰਦਾ, decompose ਹੁੰਦਾ. So it means that is a decomposition reaction. So it's A option. Digestion of food ਕੀ ਹੈ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਜੋ ਅਸੀਂ ਖਾਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਰਜੇ ਉਹ oxygen ਨਾਲ react ਕਰਕੇ decompose ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ. So decomposition reaction ਹੈ digestion of food. Next MCQ, which of the following is a decomposition reaction? ਕਿਹੜੀ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਚੋਂ decomposition ਦੀ example ਹੈ? Here copper oxide react with hydrogen gas, it form copper plus water. So it is not an example of decomposition reaction. Zinc react with copper sulfate to produce zinc sulfate plus other. Here you write copper metal. So next, two molecule of potassium perchlorate decompose into KCl and O2. So it means this reaction is called a decomposition. So what is a decomposition reaction? The reaction in which a single substance decomposes into two or more products. So here potassium perchlorate is decomposed into KCl and O2. The other reactions, it is a redox reaction, it's a displacement reaction, and the fourth one is a displacement reaction also. So reaction of metal with acid. Clear? Next, which of the following is a displacement reaction? So when a more reactive atom displays to the other component from its salt solution, that is called decomposition displacement reaction, sorry. So hydrogen react with chlorine to give a HCl, it is a combination reaction. Calcium carbonate change into calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide, it is a decomposition reaction. So next, calcium oxide plus water to form a calcium hydroxide, it is also a combination. Here zinc react with sulfuric acid to produce zinc sulfate plus hydrogen, it is a combination reaction, displacement reaction, because when sulfuric acid react with zinc, it displays sulfate from sulfuric acid to form a salt plus hydrogen gas. So this third one is displacement reaction, because zinc metal displaces sulfate ion from hydrogen and also release hydrogen gas. Next MCQ, out of copper, silver, iron and zinc, the metal which can displace all others from their salt solution is. Out of these metals, copper, silver, iron, zinc, out of these metals which are capable to displace all other metals from their salt solution, so out of these four, zinc metal is more reactive than these three metals, so that's why C option is correct, which it also displays copper from copper sulfate, silver nitrate also displays silver also. It also displays iron sulfate from iron sulfate. So it means zinc metal is more reactive. That's why it displays or replace copper, silver, iron from their salt solution. Clear? So C option is correct. Next, which of the following does not involve a chemical reaction? इन्हां चों किहड़ी जिहड़ी हैगी है chemical reaction नहीं. Process of respiration, so that is also a chemical reaction. Digestion of food in our body, that is also a chemical reaction. Burning of candle wax on heating, that is also a chemical reaction. But melting of candle wax on heating, it is a physical reaction, physical change. So that's why C option is correct, because it is not a chemical reaction, it is a physical process. It is a physical process. Next MCQ, in the reaction between sodium and chlorine to form a sodium chloride, ਕਿਹੜੀ reaction ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ sodium ਤੇ chlorine react ਕਰਕੇ to form a sodium chloride? Chlorine atom is reduced, chlorine atom is oxidized as well as reduced, sodium ion is reduced, sodium atom is reduced as well as oxidized. In this reaction, chlorine atom is reduced. When we react the sodium plus chlorine, it form a NaCl. So here chlorine atom is reduced because it changed Cl2 to Cl. Clear? So here from 0 to -1. So it means it get reduced. It reduce here. So that's why this is a process involved in the reaction to the formation of sodium chloride. Chlorine atom is reduced, not oxidized as well as reduced. Sodium ion not reduced, that get oxidized. Sodium as is reduced as well as oxidized. These are 3 points are incorrect. Next MCQ, Fe2O3 plus aluminium to form a Al2O3 plus 2Fe. This is a type of reaction as combination, double displacement, decomposition or displacement reaction. So this reaction is called displacement reaction, because when iron oxide react with aluminium or we heat with aluminium, it form alumina to produce iron metal. This reaction is utilized for the purpose of building purpose. Building purpose ਲਈ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹ reaction use ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਥਰਮੈਟ ਬਿਲਡਿੰਗ ਵਾਸਤੇ. ਸੋ ਅਲਮੀਨੀਅਮ ਨੇ ਆਕਸਾਈਡ ਨੂੰ ਆਇਰਨ ਨੂੰ ਡਿਸਪਲੇਸ ਕਰਤਾ ਫਰੋਮ ਇਟਸ ਆਕਸਾਈਡ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਇਹ ਆਇਰਨ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਮੈਟਲ ਮਿਲੀ ਹੈ, ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕੋਈ ਕ੍ਰੈਕ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਆਇਰਨ ਆਰਟੀਕਲਸ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਫਿਲ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਮੈਲਟ ਫਾਰਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ. ਸੋ ਬਿਲਡਿੰਗ ਪਰਪਸ ਲਈ ਇਹ ਰਿਐਕਸ਼ਨ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ. ਇਟ ਇਜ਼ ਅ ਡਿਸਪਲੇਸਮੈਂਟ ਰਿਐਕਸ਼ਨ. Next, what happens when dilute hydrochloric acid is added to iron filling? When we add dilute HCl in added to iron filling, what will happen? When acid react with metal, it produce salt plus which gas? Hydrogen gas. So A option, hydrogen gas and iron chloride are produced. This reaction will occur. Iron filling means iron de chote chote particles plus dilute HCl to form FeCl3 plus H2. This is the product. Iron chloride is formed. So chlorine gas does not release iron hydroxide, does not produce no reaction. Reaction is take place. Iron salt and water also produce. Clear? So next question in the reaction, Fe2O3 plus AAl to Al2O3, which is oxidizing agent? Out of these, which is oxidizing agent? Here you see aluminium get oxidized, Fe get reduced. so which get reduced that act as a oxidizing agent. So it option is A, Fe2O3 is a oxidizing agent. ਜਿਹਦੀ reduction ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ that act as a oxidizing agent, ਜਿਹਦੀ oxidation ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ that act as a reducing agent. It's a reducing, it's a oxidizing. All these components are present in reactant site. Next MCQ, which of the following is an endothermic reaction? So what is an endothermic reaction? The reaction in which heat is used, heat is involved, heat given in, that reaction is called endothermic reaction. So reaction of glucose with oxygen to form a carbon dioxide and water, so it is an exothermic reaction. Reaction of zinc with hydrochloric acid to form zinc chloride and hydrogen, that is also an exothermic reaction. Reaction of carbon and oxygen to form a carbon monoxide, that is also exothermic reaction. Reaction of nitrogen and oxygen to form a nitric oxide, N2 plus O2 to give NO. This reaction is called endothermic reaction, because during this reaction the heat is used, heat is given in. Next, so D option, it's a D option is correct. Calcium carbonate upon heating to give a calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. So what a type of this reaction? When we heat a single component, it dissociation into two or more component, that is called decomposition. And what a type of it decomposition? It's a thermal decomposition, because we decompose with the help of heat. So that's why it is a decomposition reaction, thermal decomposition. So Fe2O3 plus Al, Al2O3 plus 2 iron particles. So which is reduced in the above reaction? So that is a opposite question of 11th and 14th. These are opposite to each other. ਇੱਥੇ ਇਹ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਗਿਆ oxidizing agent, ਇੱਥੇ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ reduce ਕਿਹੜਾ ਹੋਇਆ substance. ਜਿਹੜਾ oxidizing agent ਹੈ that get reduced, so it means Fe2O3 is reduced substance and it also act as a oxidizing agent, क्योंकि जिस दी reduction ਹੁੰਦੀ है that act as a oxidizing, जिस दी oxidation ਹੁੰਦੀ है that act as a reducing agent. So learn these MCQs yourself, and if you have any query up to these 14 MCQ, then you can contact me. So I will take test from these MCQs on Monday. Okay, thank you.